Hello everyone. In this modern era of technology, computer networks are found everywhere around us, in almost every field of our lives. Computer networks can vary in size, complexity, and geographical spread. Based on the distance covered, the computer networks can be classified mainly into four types: PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. So let's learn about these types in detail. So the first one is PAN, where PAN stands for Personal Area Network. It is used by a single person for communication. Through Personal Area Network, one can interconnect electronic or IT devices to internet or other networks. The area covered by Personal Area Network is few meters only, typically within a range of 10 meters. In PAN, connections can be wired or wireless. For example, Personal Area Network is used almost by everyone at home or in office, where one can connect his or her laptop, PC with mobile, iPad or any IT device using wireless technology such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth for sharing photos, videos, music, etc. from mobile phone to computer and computer to mobile phone. Next is LAN, where LAN stands for Local Area Network. It is a group of two or more computers and other communication devices that are located close to one another. It is the most common type of network. Usually, it is confined to a room, one building, industry, or a small geographic area. Here, data transfer rate is higher as data do not travel a long distance. Different types of cables are used in local area network to connect or link the network interface cards in individual computers. In LAN, typically there is at least one computer which serves as a file server. All other computers attached to it are nodes or workstations. The main purpose of local area network is resource sharing, where users can share hardware resources like printer, scanner, modem, etc. and software resources like data, programs, etc. For example, computers connected in an office or computer labs where hardware and software resources are shared equally. Next is MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. It is quite bigger network as it is an interconnection of several local area networks. It is spread over same geographical area that ranges 5 to 50 kilometers, such as a town or a city. It does not extend beyond the boundaries of the immediate town or a city. As the range in metropolitan area network is high, the data transfer rate is little slower than the local area network. In metropolitan area network, all the LANs are connected or associated through a telephone exchange. For example, Metropolitan Area Network establishes communication and coordination between different branches of banks, hotels, etc. in a city. Now, the last type of computer network is WAN, where WAN stands for Wide Area Network. It is a computer network in which several local area networks and metropolitan area networks are interconnected. Wide area network is usually network of networks that can extend over large geographical area such as cities, states, countries, continents, or even all around the world. Here, Exchange of data and information can be at higher speed. Mainly, it is used to facilitate fast and efficient communication. Wide area networks are usually connected through public service systems like telephone or cable companies, satellites, and network providers. Typically, WAN may be privately owned or rented and controlled and managed by a single person or an organization. The Internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world, and it is not owned by any one organization. For example, wide area network is widely used by private and government organizations in the field of business, education, military, research, etc., as they have their branches all over the world. It allows efficient exchange of data and provide long distance transmission. Internet connection, mobile broadband connections like 3G, 4G, etc. are examples of wide area network. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next videos. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe.